and welcome to Kai Kai. My name is Diane. Tonight, thanks for coming. And tonight we have Chef Taylor. We all know him very well from the Gafford, and he's going to give you a great experience. Talk to you later.
We're going to have a few different little slight changes tonight in menu based on your recipes because availability is not like quite there. We're having a lot of supply chain issues, so everything is correct on your card, and the food you will be eating will be correct, but in the demo there was some slight variations. Gonna roll your lime. In your recipe card, it's going to call for essentially the pico mix. So I have everything already diced. So it's just tomatoes, onions, jalapeno, oregano. I keep my cilantro separate until the time being. Straight in, mix it up. I have salt and pepper inside my pico mix already, just to keep it nice and marinated. Mix it, and you're good to go. Everybody liking the appetizer so far? Okay, good to go. So nice and easy for your dinner party. You're going to take your tuna, or you're going to take your wonton, your guac right on top, and then I don't know if anybody's familiar with New England Fish Market. That's who I use solely. I think they're a great local company. I get #1 grade tuna. Take the bloodline out, remove the sinew, and put it right on top. Wasabi aioli, all you're going to do is you're going to take just straight wasabi, put it in water, make it into like a nice consistent ball. Real nice and easy. I didn't write a recipe for it because it's literally right on the back of the wasabi thing. Like right on the package that you're going to get, it's going to tell you exactly how to do it. You're going to take that, you're going to do 50-50 that with heavy mayo, and you're going to get this. And then for your soy reduction, all I did was reduce soy by half. It gets really salty if you don't use the reduced soy, or the reduced sodium soy. So you're going to reduce that by half, and then you're going to just slurry it and let it cool down. If you don't know what a slurry is cornstarch and water. You don't use a lot of it. You wait till it boils. You put your slurry right in. I mean, it literally takes like 2 tablespoons to a cup. And it's going to get nice and thick. You're going to let it cool down. It's going to come just like that. If you want to put sesame, or if you want to put flour, or whatever you want to put on top, good to go. Any questions so far? Nice and easy. We have Diane's spring mix. We have her heirloom baby tomatoes, Anaheim peppers, and watermelon radish. Vinaigrette. If anybody needs more vinaigrette, let me know. I will make sure you get some more. I'm going to teach you real quick how to make the anchovy vinaigrette. This is where I messed up. I did not bring red wine vinegar, so we're going to use balsamic and pretend. So that is 2 cups. Every single seasoning that you have right here on your recipe card is right here in this. You just go straight in. And so inside that was 2 cups of water, I'm sorry, 1 cup of water as well. I'm just going to go straight onto the fire and get it nice and hot until it boils. You're going to cool it down. We're going to just emulsify it with either olive oil or blended oil, whatever you prefer. And that's it. It's the easiest thing ever. And that is my favorite salad dressing that I've ever had on our menu, besides our Caesar. Everybody know about watermelon radish? They're really pretty, and no one knows how to use them. You can do a lot of things with them. You can pickle them. You can put them fresh just like that. Some of them are spicy, Diane, right? He just ate one and he said it was really spicy. I know. All right, you can use a peeler. I'm going to choose not to, so. Anybody have a mandolin at home? You cut your finger yet? Impressed. You want a job? I don't know if anybody knows, but the hospitality business is hurting and really could use some people like you. All right, so if you have a mandolin at home, you're going to take it, and you're just going to run it back and forth, and it's going to get super paper thin. Tonight on your salad, I only put 1 piece, and the way I did it was just cut it straight down. It's nice and pretty inside. Looks like a watermelon. Well, yeah, looks like a watermelon. And then I just julienne it. Nice and pretty. Not spicy. No, not spicy at all. Have a whisk. It's all right. It's good. That boiled already. You're just going to take, I don't know if anybody has an emulsion blender at home. If you have an emulsion blender, you're just going to get that thing started. If not, you're going to put it right into your regular blender. Can you see? If you stop working out like me, you can use your belly to hold it for you. And that's it. Nice and easy. Does anybody need more dressing? All right, everybody's first bite's all right so far? Okay, good. I wasn't going to let you say no. It doesn't matter. All right, so here's one of those, we're going to have a good imagination thing again. Here's your poblano tonight. I used all of our poblanos, stuffing them tonight for dinner. So all I do at the restaurant is I oven roast them, and then I finish them on the grill. Tonight I finished it right on the open flame. Got it nice and burnt. And then I just peeled the skin right off. Just going to take my knife, I'm going to cut a small slit, then I'm going to pull out all the seeds, or most of the seeds in the ribs. I'm going to set that aside in my bowl. So all I do is I take sweet potatoes, I roast them in the oven, I rip the skin off, and then this is just straight mashed sweet potato, no seasoning, no nothing. Just oven roasted chicken. I finish it, cool it, dice it. Again, I don't use any seasoning. I just straight in the oven, just the way it comes. I use a nice free-range Murray's chicken. I prefer them over everything. I think they have a nice flavor anyway. You can use whatever cheese you like. I prefer Oaxaca. That's what you're having tonight. So just going to use shredded Oaxaca. You can use mozzarella. You can use white cheddar. Whatever you prefer. Caramelized onions. I usually use yellow onion. Tonight I chose to use red for a little bit of sweetness. And then the same exact spice that went into that ancho chili is going to go right into this. If you are on the grill the night before, you have a little bit of extra steak or extra chicken, it's really nice to just take this and use it as your leftover. Nice, easy, quick meal, especially if you already have it done. And then straight in the oven at 350, about 12 minutes. And inside your recipe card, you have the guajillo chili sauce. And that's it, right on the bottom. That's going to be nice and roasted on top. If you would like, you can finish it with a little bit of cheese on top, or you can do a little queso fresco. All right, is everybody ready for dessert? Yeah. All right. So tonight we have horchata pie. My first time ever making it. You don't have a recipe because I winged it. So here's what we're gonna do. Everybody got real quiet now. It's good, I promise. Used Gilbert's horchata. I don't know if anybody's ever been to Gilbert's in Stewart. It's fire. So that's the base of this pie this evening. A little bit of peanut butter, some dark chocolate, fresh whipped cream, and then the glaze on top is going to be chocolate and espresso. It's going to be a little bit of bitter with a whole lot of sweet in the pie. All right, I hope everybody enjoys.